This will gonna be the best strategy trading expert option with these simple trading technique. Take a look at my previous trades. I got more profit than ever before. From $100 to the goal of $500. I also made a bit of losses. But certainly, I can manage my own trading losses. Don't get hesitate on what you want. Some days you got profitable, and also have some losses. Make sure you have daily profit. And a daily loss. Some of my trades got lucky. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, so that I can give you tips and tricks on how to become profitable always. You can also use the martingale system with these strategy. So now, I will only use 2 indicators that make us profitable. It is very easy to use, and simple as 1, 2, 3. You can also find other good trading strategy in my channel. If you are a new trader, you can try to learn on babypips.com, or investopedia.com. Be sure to trade on a practice account first before trading on a real one. First, we need to attach our indicator to the chart. Let's go and attach the Bollinger Bands. Change the period into 13. Then the deviation into 2.5. You can choose your own color of your choice. Then click Apply. Just set the chart type into candles, with a period of 5 seconds. Let us also delete the trader's social icon, so that we can see clearly the trend of the market. Look closely the chart. If the candle bar goes beyond the Bollinger line, it means that the trend will probably reverse. Like this one, it goes the oversold level. And this one, the trend will go reverse. This candlestick will definitely reverse the trend. You can download the candlestick cheat sheet for free to familiarize the candlestick pattern. Our second indicator to be added is the binary SNYPR Pro. Just attach the indicator to the Metatrader IV, then wait for the pop-up to appear. See the description below on how to install the indicator. The indicator produced by Signal for Euro, JPY. Let us also check if our Bollinger Band indicator meets our strategy. Take a look, the trend of the pair goes beyond the lower Bollinger line and creates a bullish pin bar. Let's trade with it. This bar will tend to reverse the trend. Let's wait for our trade to be done. Before anything else, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell button to get latest updates and strategies trading with expert option and other trading brokers. See the rest of the video on how do I trade by using this trading method. Here's an alert of the binary SNYPR Pro indicator. But we will wait until our trade finished. Got our profit. Let's find another pair to trade. Let's wait for a new signal, because we're late to trade with Euro USD.
you.